Hello everyone. So today I want to share gerund. Yeah, gerunds. A gerund is a noun made from a verb by adding ing. Yes, when the verb adding ing become a gerund. So a gerund is a noun. Yeah. So you say an example. For subject, yes, this is the example. Running is good for your health. So running is a gerund. Why is the gerund? Because running is the run is the verb. When we add ing, we become a noun. So become a noun function. This is subject. So running is good for your health. And one more direct object. He hates waking up early. He hates. He hates waking up early. So waking is direct object, but it is the gerund because the verb become a noun when at ing. For subject complement, for example, what I dislike most is repeating myself. So repeating is the gerund. Why is the gerund? Because repeat is a verb. When we add ing become gerund. So what I dislike most is repeating myself. Repeating is gerund. For object complement, I saw I saw Tom riding his bike. I saw Tom riding his bike. Riding is riding is the gerund. Ride is the verb. When we add ing become gerund. Object of a preposition. Object of preposition. I am interested in improving myself. So is improve is verb. Ing is when we add ing, improving become gerunds. For the functions object of a possessive. Object of possessive. She does not like your bossing her around. She does not like her bossing her around. Okay. For the gerund. So we go to detail about gerund. 6 ways to use gerund. 6 ways you can see a gerund, including as a subject, object, complement, object of a preposition, and as the object of a possessive. Show step-by-step explanation. Yes, this video. So I don't want to watch this video. Gerund in English. A teacher explained what gerund look like and how they might be used. So we go to detail. Yes, what are gerunds? For example, gerund is a noun. Gerund is a noun form from a verb. Yeah. All gerund and ing, or yeah, for example, swimming, running, drinking. Swimming is a gerund. Running is a gerund. Drinking is gerund. When we stand alone, not at to be uh, before it. Okay. So swimming, swim is a verb. Ing. When we add ing, we become gerund. Run is a verb. When we add ing, become gerund. Drinking. When we add ing, become gerunds. Okay, this is the more explanations. Yeah, in here, gerunds definitions. Gerund is a noun ending ing that has been formed from a verb. Example: thinking, playing, or hunting, eating. Okay. Properties. Unlike a normal noun, a gerund can be modified by an adverb and take an object. Sorry. Carefully painting the fence. Adverb: carefully painting gerund, their object, fence. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and share my video to your friends. I hope you enjoy watching. Goodbye and good luck for you.